All right. So today, wow, that's loud. All right. So today we're gonna be playing Rain on Your Parade. I just recently saw this. It was on the Battle Pass. It was on the Game Pass, and it looked super interesting. Looked like something I'd want to play. So today we're gonna be making people's days just a little bit harder. Let's go. Grandpa, tell me a story. A story? Have I told you about the cloud I met once? That sounds boring. Oh, trust me, clouds are never boring. Herf. A cloud can fly anywhere it wants. It can rain on anything. When you grow up, you will understand the joy of messing up other people's stuff. Alright, so I didn't see that. Let me put my glasses on. Once upon a time, there was a small cloud with a big dream. Hey clouds, let's fuck up people's days. To find a place of old folktales where clouds can roam free. So it packed its bags and set on a world-trotting journey to find this mystical, the fabled, the legendary Seattle. Soak bride and groom, soak all humans. Let's do it. Fuck it. You ain't leaving. You ain't getting out of here. So I think that's, from what I can glean, that's the premise of this this game. We're just gonna be going from little level to level, making people's lives just a little bit harder. I did not read what it said. I know that raining on all the humans is the goal here, and then putting all the fires out. There we go. Seems pretty straightforward. How did I only get 2 stars on that? What did I do wrong? How could I don't understand. Ho ho! Who's that I see? A young cloud? Who am I? Why, I am Papa Cloud. A cloud as old as time. I was there when the first memes were invented. Oh, those silly badges. As you progress through the world, you might unlock some fancy hats. How does a cloud wear a hat, you might wonder? Why, simply by entering the cloud house. Go on, give it a try. Where's cloud house? Where's the cloud house? There it is. A top hat. That's all I need. Protect the bomb. Help it go boom. Let's do this. Where's the bomb? Where is said bomb? Is this Counter-Strike? I swear this is CSGO. You can't lie to me. I know what you're doing here. This bomb is detonating and there's nothing you guys can do about it. This bomb is detonating. You are not stopping this bomb. I promise you that. Yes, sir. Does that mean I get 1 star? I don't understand. Is there gonna be more, like, things? Soak all the humans and avoid the sun. Get away. How many left? Who left? Him? There we go. How do I not get a star for that, though? I don't understand. Is it like a time thing? Cloudy, help. Grow a beautiful garden. 75, wow. Do not soak any humans. And soak all the lamps. Oh no. I'll start with stuff like this. Am I out of water? Oh. What? That's crazy. We did it. That better be 4 stars, okay? Yeah, that's what I thought. To the school. Oh, hello there, little cloud. I'm just your friendly neighborhood grandma. Every story needs one. I'm here to tell you about the magical exit sign. Explode the chemistry set. Wake the sleeping teacher. Overflow a volcano. Soak all the backpacks. Chase art kids into classroom at end of hall. Get out. Trying yellow plus blue equals death. I don't know what that was supposed to mean. Where's the volcano? Where's the volcano, huh? Y'all got a volcano around here? There's one more backpack I gotta get somewhere around here. Where have I not been? Oh, I see it. I see it. I see the backpack. What do I do? Oh, I did it. Can I make this grow? Where do I get water? Can I make these crops grow? I am the king of going back and looking at things that I've already done completely to look for something new that I don't need to do. What's in here? Rack up as many points as you can before you run out of water. Experiment with different ways of... Are people drying off? Oh, facility, huh? A facility, huh? Burn it all. What does that mean? Oh. Is that the Half-Life logo? This feels nefarious. This feels downright dastardly. There's this kid at school who always picks on me and didn't invite me to his birthday. Oh, I'm sorry. Sounds like he's a bit of a bully. Or he just doesn't want to fucking hang out with you. I mean, let's be realistic. I'm sure, you know, Cloudy could teach him a lesson. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Oh, there's one left. Where is this stupid fucking toy? Count it. There's just something inherently amazing about really just getting the chance to shit on people's day. How can I make everyone much less happy? What is this? Is this a stealth mission? Dude, it's Metal Gear Solid. That's so cool. Alright. Alright. I gotta sneak through, huh? There we go. What a screenshot, boys. He's gonna go that way. I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna sneak up behind him and soak his ass. Got you. Sneaky, sneaky. Cloud. Oh, did I ruin your day? Got them all, baby. Wow. What was the other one? Do not get spotted. I think I could have done it without getting spotted, but... Oh, well. Oh. So it would show the cloud, or like the stars that I needed to get that I didn't. Destroy the yellow wheat. Corrode all vehicles. Soak all humans and scare off all crows. I think I just killed that guy. Let's start from the top. Let's soak all these guys. And then we'll worry about the yellow wheat. You've been soaked. Human. Why is this area so big? There's one more human. Where? You know what? I know where this human is. I think he's in here. I wish I could find this other son of a bitch. Sorry, bud. He even loves clouds. There's one more vehicle. What vehicle have I not shit on yet? The rock? It's a rock. We used to drive these babies for miles. It's fun. There's not time limits, so it feels very like, it doesn't feel as hard as it could be with like time limits and stuff. Me and my girlfriend, we played Moving Out, and that game is super fun. But the hard part about it is like the time limits and then like the certain challenges they have you do. Without the time constraints on this, it's not as taxing, it's not as hard, I feel like. It's definitely fun. I'll play it one more. Get through the canyon and soak the generator. Do not run out of water. Don't get hit. You know, I can just go like this. Killing it. Killing it. No! One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I was so close the first time and now I'm like doing bad. Just gonna cut right through. I'm so close. Yes, sir. Let's go. I love this game. All right, well, that was a bunch of fun. That was Rain on Your Parade. We shit on a wedding. We shit on a whole school. We ruined the days of a bride and a groom. We ruined the days of a child, many children in school. There's probably more to be discovered. I definitely saw in the trailer there's like ice and storm clouds, and at a point you go back in time and you rain meteors on dinosaurs. So like, comment, subscribe, show me your love, pull out of that trench coat, and have a good day. And hopefully a rain cloud doesn't come and rain on your parade. Thank you.